everyone, and welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff in downtown Boise, Idaho. My name is Sophie Nickel, and today we're bringing you a critical step to solidifying your online presence and reaching more potential customers, having a website that is fully compatible with mobile devices. In today's increasingly digital world, having a strong online presence, including a website, is crucial. But did you know that according to a study published by Statista, 52% of all web page views worldwide come from a mobile device? If that's not enough to convince you, here are 3 more key reasons why your website needs to be mobile compatible. The first is how convenient web searching is on mobile. Think about the last time you left the house without your phone. Whether you like it or not, our phones are a part of our daily lives now. And we almost always have them close by if we ever need them. Because of this, it is much more convenient to do a quick search on your smartphone rather than wait to do it on a computer. The convenience and popularity of these is insane. The second thing you need to worry about is accessibility. Almost everyone carries around a smartphone, so what good is your website if it doesn't work on every kind of mobile device? Whether it's an Android, iPhone, Google phone, or something else, your website needs to be able to adapt to each device so that more people are able to easily access it. Last, but definitely not least, websites that are more compatible with mobile devices actually see a boost in their search engine rankings. As your rankings go up, so will your exposure. If you're looking for more information about the benefits of optimizing your website for mobile devices, check out all our social media platforms or visit our website at getsocialize.com. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.